Everybody, this is Dr. Anita. The topic of present deliberation is to understand the meaning of certain terms used in biostatistics. First of all, what is statistics? Statistics is the branch of science which deals with the collection, analysis of data and drawing inferences from it. Statistics has numerous applications in different branches of science. Biostatistics is the application of statistical tools, technologies and methodologies to analyze biological data to solve a number of biological problems. Next, we will study the meaning of population in statistics. As we know, population is defined as a group of individuals of a species occupying a given area. But in statistics, population is different. For example, if we want to study helminth infection in rabbit, then we will randomly collect 200 rabbit population and we will bring it to laboratory. Then the entire rabbit population of the universe constitute the population of rabbit. Next, we will understand the meaning of data in statistics. Data is a plural word derived from singular datum. Data is characteristic or information, mainly in the form of numerical form, drawn from the observation in statistics. For example, hemoglobin percentage of 10% suffering from Kala-Azar can be represented as 10.4, 7.6, 8.3, etc. mg per 100. Next, what is sample in statistics? Sample represent that part from a population that is selected for a particular study. For example, if the AIDS patient across the world constitute the population of AIDS patient, then it will be difficult or impossible to study each and every individual for drawing any conclusion about this disease. So randomly 200 or 400 AIDS patient will be selected and this will represent a sample of the AIDS patient and any conclusion drawn from it will be applicable to the whole population of the AIDS patient. Next, we will study the meaning of variable. What is variable? Variable means any quantity or quality that are liable to change. For example, height of individuals in a population. There are two types of variables. First one is quantitative and second is qualitative. Quantitative variables are like height, weight, etc. of individual, and qualitative variables are like white fur, color, etc. Variables can be also divided into two types: discrete and continuous. Discrete variables can take finite value like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And continuous variable can take all the values. For example, height of a student in a class can be 140 centimeter, 140.3 centimeter, etc. Next, we will study the meaning of parameter. Parameter is a value calculated from a defined population, such as mean, standard deviation, standard error of mean derived from a population. So, mean, standard deviation of difference of mean, etc. are the different. Parameters are constant value because it covers all the members of the population. So, this way we have covered certain terms which will be used in biostats. Thank you.